my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing like a get ready with me, maybe a makeup tutorial. I don't even know what I'm gonna name. I'm gonna start right now by clipping my hair out of my face. This is how I get ready, guys. Clips, pin my hair out of my face. We're gonna start off with skincare. I got this on sale, $4, Walmart. I don't know how to say this. The Albaline moisturizing cleanser for younger looking skin. A little bit of this stuff goes a long way, but this stuff works so freaking good. Just massage it into the skin. Guys, this has been here, I think, since my last YouTube video that I'm just wiping off the excess from my hands. Now that I look like an oily mess, I'm going to take my cotton pads. It's Pocheco. I put my micellar water in here just to be extra. Some people would say that this method would be clogging your pores. I say I haven't had a problem yet. Look, I burned myself with my waver. How freaking dark around my eyes are. Jeez. When I'm done cleaning my face, I'm going to take the Noxzema Anti-Blemish Plaid Ultimate Clear Eucalyptus Extract. And I'm just gonna wipe my face down with these. It burns the eyes, so be careful. It's a little rough on the skin. When I'm done with that, I'm gonna take the CeraVe Healing Ointment, just a wee bit, that much. Apply it everywhere. I'm going to take this Bio Aqua Rose Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizing Eye Mask and put these on under my eyes. I don't know the right way to put these. But every time I try putting it the other way, I feel like it doesn't fit right, so. That's all I'm gonna do for my skincare right now. When I'm done with my skincare, so that I could like let this sit for a minute, I'm gonna do my hair. I'm not really gonna talk because I really need to lock in for my hair. Oh, it's kind of burning. Love that. I want to try and do this hairstyle. She doesn't have one bun, she has two buns. There's like space buns, but let's try it. Let's get started on the hair. Okay guys, this is how the hair turned out. Like when I'm done with my makeup, I'm gonna add like curls to these and these and these. I don't really know if I like it, but I don't really got the time to be switching up on myself right now. Also, I fixed the lighting. Is this better? Do we like it? Okay, makeup inspo for today. Of course, my queen. Look, glass skin or what? Starting with foundation, I'm gonna take the
Today, Junior.
The Maybelline Fit Me foundation. Taking it in 110 and 120. I'm gonna use 110 on the ends of my face, and then the 120 on the outsides of my face. From the Okay, now I'm just gonna take a powder puff, blend it all in. I always start with the dark. Now that I'm done with the foundation, I'm going to take the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and this one is the shade I don't know, it's the lightest one. Same beauty like powder puff. When I'm done with blending the concealer out, I'm gonna take a flat brush and I'm just gonna carve out my eyebrows. I don't really put any product on my eyebrows because my eyebrows are fine. In my last video, I realized that my eyebrows are crooked. When I was watching it, I was like, are my eyes lopsided or are my eyebrows crooked? Maybe both. you see how my eyebrow just starts to... Using the Halo Glow Beauty Wand Contour. This is in the lightest shade too. It's Fair Light. I really like this one because it's like a really neutral brown. Then I go like this and I line my jaw. I really make sure I get this part because I have a very weak jaw. So if I don't, then you'll be like, does she even have a jawline? Or is her neck connected to her face? True story. A little bit under the nose. And then right here. I don't put nothing on my bridge. A little bit on my forehead. I already have a small forehead, so not too much. Take a small type of contour brush and I pat it out like this. Honestly, my makeup like routine is always changing. I'm always trying something new. Put chapstick on. I need chapstick. So for my nose contour, I take a flat eyeshadow brush and I kind of just blend out the edges. It looks a little rough right now, guys, but just trust the process. So now I'm going to take the Morphe Euphoric Rush, and this is in the shade Pleasure. I just put this on with my 2 fingers. So this one is the Hydrating Camo Concealer Satin Finish. I'm just going to redo my under eyes and then around my nose and my chin again. I also put a little bit right here. It's because I'm trying to get rid of my nose completely. I just don't want it there at all.
Baddies, pose for me.
Just blend it out with my powder puff. You guys are probably like, wow, this is a lot of makeup. This is a lot of coverage. Exactly. Okay, that's exactly what I'm going for. Guys, I need to shave my eyebrows so bad. Nora, I don't know if that's the brand or if that's a shade. On Your Face Contour Plus Color Trio. I like it because it's neutral. My contour and my like bronzing all has to be neutral. I'm going to take a fluffy rounded brush. Really focus it at the top right here. Blend it down the chin. Basically everywhere we had put the Halo Glow is where we're putting this. Blend it down the neck a little bit. I'm just using the same brush that I blended out the contour with to fix my nose contour. Straight line. Blend it out a little bit. Under the nose, blend it out a little bit. And with the Fit Me powder, I'm using 120. Usually I would use 110. I got the wrong shade. So I'm going to be taking a different powder puff, one that does not have liquid like makeup on it, and put this under my under eyes and up. Do you see how quick that just blurred my skin? Like, look at the difference. That is amazing. I do put it on the nose bridge because, like I told you guys, I'm trying to get rid of my nose. I just want this. I just want the tip of my nose. I'm also going to kind of cut my contour with it. I'm gonna take the end part where I didn't put any powder and kind of just tap it on the line so it doesn't look so sharp. Oh, I love it. Non-liquid blush. I'm going to be using the ColourPop Too Hot to Touch Pressed Powder Blush. I'm going to take a angled flat fluffy brush. I'm also going to take a a very small circular blending brush. Put a little bit. I don't like a lot, just a little bit. We are looking so good. To take the e.l.f. Halo Glow Setting Powder. Yes, powder on top of powder, babe. This is how you get that, like, you know, flawless, you know, like gone, no flaws nowhere type of look. Take the same little powder puff. So this side was good, but if I get a little bit like this, where it's kind of on top of my my blush, take my blush brush with no extra product and then just kind of wipe it away like that. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the eyes. Guys, I need to shave my mustache. Kita palette. I'm going to start with this shade down here. Obviously, it's a favorite of mine. It's called MTF. And to put it a little bit right here. A little bit right here. Tap that extra excess away. And then blend. And I'm going to be blending up like this. And really take your time to really blend it out. It's looking a bit horrendous right now. But trust the process. Oh, that the line is, I put a little bit too much on this side, not as much on this side, but still, to kind of give it like a very blended look, I'm going to be taking this lighter shade right here, and I'm just going to be blending out that line with the very light kind of eyeshadow to kind of blend it in all together. Down that foundation, we're going to put just a dot. Blend it out. Now to darken the outer corner just a little bit, I'm going to be taking this like very like reddish brown. It's not really reddish, but it has like an orangey undertone. Just lightly. Taking a clean brush or one that has like the skin color type of foundation on it, and then blending it out. Now going in with the Fit Me foundation pressed powder, go ahead and pat that towards the inner corner. Back in with my Nikita palette, this black shadow, and I'm using a flat I'm using a flat eyeshadow brush. And I'm just gonna dip like the end into it, so just like the tip. Blend it out like that. God, the other side came out so much better. Smallest blending brush that you have and blend it out. Take a big fluffy brush, blend off all of that powder. Add just a little bit more nose contour. Like I said, I don't really put contour on my nose, but if you guys can see, which you can, this side of my nose is a little crooked, so if it's really bothering me, I will put just a little bit, not too much, just to make it like even with the other side. My makeup is looking Slay the House Down boots, and I'm in love. This is also a tip for if you want your nose contour to pop out but you're going for a natural look. This is the Lottie freckle tint, and just put it on the top of your nose. This is really good for like somebody who has freckles, like I have freckles naturally. Blend it out. Boom! Look at my little button nose. The Airbrush Flawless Setting Spray by Tartelette Showberry. It's the best setting spray ever. I love it so much. And the Glow Sugar Kits I'm going to be using is Butterscotch. So this one. I'm also going to use a little bit of Marshmallow. I'm going to use the Marshmallow on the inner corner of my eyes, and then the Butterscotch on the tip of my nose, and a little bit on the bridge, and up here a little bit. Slay! Slay! I'm going to be using lash clusters. I don't know, I think this was like the fairy shade. These are the fairy style. The brand that I'm using is Sexy Sheep. Curl your lashes. The bond, and like I said, just put it at the base of your lashes, not the tips, the base. Start with an 18 because I want longer lashes today. 18, take a 14, 12, and finish it with a 10. And when you're done with that, you're just gonna seal it with the seal side. Slay. This is called It's by Run Beauty. It's the lip stain marker. Line my lips with the line stain marker. This is the shade Booked and Busy. Slay! The Run Beauty lip gloss treatment and strawberry soda. Oh my gosh, I love it! Get this little tiny curler and curl these little pieces. I feel like these are a little too curly. Okay guys, this is the finished makeup look. I hope you enjoyed watching me and getting ready with me. I find these videos really fun. You guys should leave comments telling me what videos you guys want to see from me because I love talking to the camera. This has been fun. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Okay guys, bye, I love you.